I always found students find it so hard to understand standard deviations. What I'll do, I'll use this animation to demonstrate it. Might be this is going to be useful later on. Let's say all students, these are all the students superimposed on one another. Let's say all the students got same mark, which is about 70%. It will be anyone's guess that the average mark obtained by the students in that class will be about 70.33, as you can see on the screen. Now the question is, what will happen to the standard deviation? For that matter, what is standard deviation? But let's look at the animation and see if we can understand something. So all the students, about 30 of them, is sitting around 70.33. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to shift one of the students' mark to the left hand side and see that the average changes is going down 68.64, 68.59, and look at the standard deviation. It's increasing gradually, 9.71, 10.23. So if I bring it back with rest of the students marks, it'll come pretty close to 0. It's very difficult to make it 0 because with my visuals or with my sight, I cannot put all the students on top of each other. Now if I take it to the other side, obviously people will be able to say the average changes to higher marks now, and the standard deviation also increases. So that gives us a feeling that the standard deviation is something to do with how far away the data point is sitting away from the mean value. So if I bring it back to close to 70.37, it returns to a standard deviation of 0. I hope it helps in understanding what standard deviation is. It's not rocket science.